Hi everyone, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare fresh and healthy salad. I'm going to make thyme salad. It's we call it in Arabic Zaatar أخضر. So Zaatar salad with chopped onion and tomato. So here I have fresh Zaatar or fresh thyme. I'm going to take all the leaves. They need a little bit of time, but it tastes so yummy. Here I prepare some. So what I'm going to do, I need to add the za'atar here. It's washed and clean. Okay. So here I have one chopped tomato, one chopped onion, diced onion. I'm going to add like half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Okay, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, so for this salad, instead of pepper, spices, we add sumac, 1 teaspoon of sumac, and squeeze lemon juice. So here we prepare the salad. So now what I'm going to do, we need to mix it. So all what you need is za'atar, onion, tomato. For the dressing you need olive oil, sumac, salt and lemon juice. That's it. I'm going to list down the ingredients. It's so yummy with all the cool dishes like mujaddara, like everything. These are Arabic or Mediterranean food. So with rice, with everything you can eat it. It's so healthy and smells so yummy. Wow. Need a little bit of salt. That's it. Perfect. Okay. This is the salad. So I'm going to put here a small, this is small rose made out of tomato skin. Look at this beautiful salad. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video and delicious and healthy salad. So stay tuned and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thank you so much. Bye.